I prefer you to remember that while at, and we said that to do with a conventional or conventional project, then it will be implemented in this way. And then we have here a ribbed string of the project, and here we have the net present value. So as the ribbed string is higher, then the most important method will be more complicated. For example, this is the first row, the net present value is yours. When the ribbed string is 2, the net present value is visible. And so it is, and we can also be a regular one, if the ribbed string is very large, right? This is, for example, the third row. Now, there is a point that came from the net present value, and we said that this point is called the net present value. And when we have a fixed decision, if we accept a free row or a net present value, we said that we accept a regular project for a net present value and not a free row. Why? Because a free row does not give us the exact method of the money. What we give us the exact method is the net present value. So we accept the decision to apply the net present value. We understood that's what we did until now. Let's analyze the situation. We talked about projects that they want to do that. What does it mean that projects want to do that? I remember only one project from the project with the employees. And then here, I remember the net present value, or even the ribbed string. And when I have projects that are unbiased, I have the possibility to choose how many projects I want. So in what way? I choose every project with a present value greater than 0. Now, what happens when we accept the net? So we can choose all the projects because we have a. How do you know? Do you know? No. The answer is no. Why? Because it can be that the price is higher, the higher the price of the payment is. So you mean that the price is higher? Yes, it's higher. No. So it's not because, again, in the net present value, we have the first payment that is paid. And then if I remember correctly, it can be that I accept all the money on a project that is not that high. So we have the third criterion, which is the present value, which in its implementation we can choose projects between the possibilities of the payments and the explanation of the problem. But something technical about the present value. The present value. What is the present value of the size? So, the present value is net present value divided by I in the final method. I, not minus, is the final method. It is equal to the present value. This is the size of the present value, which is what the most important method, because the present value is divided by the total value. If the result is greater than 0, we will save the project. If the result is greater than 0, we will save the project. Now, this is the size that will be created in the books. And there is also a very big size that I used this time. After I read that I made a small size, and we can use this size to calculate I just wanted to see the result. If you make a list of examples, there is a situation where the result will be different, because the result will be different from the result. This is possible to increase, the size will be different. The last method of the final method is the final method that will increase the present value and increase the total value of the value. If the result is greater than 1, we will save the project. Now, this is the same thing. If the profit is smaller than 1 and the product is smaller than 1, now, if you have a bigger size, then you need it to be bigger than 1, and if you have a bigger size, you need to be smaller than 0. So the size of the scale is actually like this, so in the exams we will do the same thing. But if you look at the examinations, questions of mine, you can see the result. It is not a technical question, it is a different question. So, the same thing. To start with, then in the examinations, it can be that even in the exams, you will have the same thing. Here, I will leave it to you. And now, this is just a little bit. Now, what does it mean? If the most important thing is the value of the value, the profit, and we get the project, so what do we get? A bigger size than 0, a bigger size than 1, so it does not make sense to us. Right? The profit, when it is not a profit for us. It is not a profit for us from the first criterion of the present value. But what does it give us? And after we divide it into 2, we get a value for the value of the project. A value, that is, how much the value of the first value is equal to, what do you get from the value that is the next present value? You divide it into 2, you get a profit. So if we have a choice between different projects, then from the selection of the projects that give us the possibility of a profit, then we get more. And that's how we can manage to manage. So what does it give us in terms of profit? It gives us a clear understanding of projects that we have to accept the profit. Now I will give an example. What does it say, accept the profit, and how do we use it in this case? So we have the situation for profit. So that's it. Yes. By the way, you can say that we have a value, the next value, and we still don't have a value. Right. But that's it. I don't have a clear understanding of it. Wait, I will give you that. You can see it, okay? Look, there is a way. There is a project. We have a way. The number, which is I. Okay, the number and how much. We have a present value. That's what I will also give you. The and we also give here the present value. So the present value, once I do it, to the I, equal, and the present value, once I do it, just to see that it's different, okay? That's it. That's what we heard. A, B, C, B, that's it. Okay, so, wait, I will give you that. You will say that the number is the same as the number of words. But if we do it in the present value, so it's not that we have a way to do it? No. So in the present value, there is a big question from 0 to 0. So I will say in the present value, we will do a project, which is also related to the group of the IR. So that's my guess. That's my guess. That's what I will do, and that's it. You will ask me questions about my project, and you will prepare for my project, so you will tell me the answer. So I will do you a question about it. So that's it. Let's say we have a 100% present value, IR of 18%, we have a 200%. And you will use it now? Yes, I will give you some answers. We have 40% and 22%, and we have 500%, and we have 100%, and we have 26%. We will tell you more about it. And I will tell you something else. I will do 80%, and we have a number of 800%, which gives us 100%. And here it will be 16%, and here we have 100%. We will give it 180% and the 100%. Now, the number of Natunes, so we will give Natunes. 1000%, we will give it. 80% of the company, and the company has no value. So, with the projects, we will give it. In which project? In the company. That's one. The project is open, and with the projects, there is a discount of 800%, and it is possible to make some projects, and some projects, a discount. Okay, so here is the question that can be asked about what you asked. Can you tell us what the points are? What? The price? Yes. The price of the product of every project that the president of the company will give 0%. Okay, that's the price. That's the price of the product. So, Natunes, which is the highest rate of 80% of the company. In the whole project, the company does not have a discount. If the project is, in some company's company, it is 1000%, and it is a discount of 800%, and it is possible to make some projects. How can you make some projects? It is possible that I have a project. You can listen to it before you hear it. It is possible that I have a project that has 200% discount, and it is possible to make some projects. So I am 10%, so I can make only 10%. That's some projects. I am a member of some other projects, so I will just show you my side, as I did. So, it is called projects. I do not pay any price for the project, but I pay for it. In the company, you are the owner, right? So, that's the idea of some projects. That is, how can you make a project? It is like a tool that you can make a product. So, now, I have 5 projects. So when the projects do not come out, so what do I choose? You choose the present value, and the most important thing is that it is a project. Now, what can be the solution? I say, look, I am a member. Look, just for the thought, I am a member of 2000 and get 180%. But if I were a member of 800 and get 100% and get 500% and get 80%, maybe, you see, if it was possible to make a project. But because it is a project that can be done, because it is a project with the benefits, and it is possible to do it, and also it, then I choose the most important value. So, 100% yes. We choose the most important value, and the project that they want is the most important value. The most important value. So, we look at the result, we see that in 1000, it is the most important value. The value, okay? Of course. Now, if it was not possible to get the result, I would have spent all the projects. Why? Because everyone is looking at me from the normal perspective. What is normal from the perspective of my own? Okay? Because that is, the present value is greater than 0. But when I have the value, then I need to think of what projects are going to be. So, what I do? I first think about the value of the value. So let's think about the value of the value. So how do I think about the value of the value here? It is a present value to divide by I. So it is 20 to divide by 100. How much? 0.2, yes. What is 50? 50, yes. 40 to divide by 200. That's right, 0.2. 80 to 5. How much does it want? 80 to divide by 50. 0.16, yes. And here, it wants to divide by 800. One of the 8 parts, right? 0.15. Yes, 0.125. And the 180 part is 2, 0.0. Yes, 0.09. Very good. Now, this is the value of the value. That divides it now by the same thing. So it will be here 1.2. Here it will be 1.2. Here it will be 1.16. Here it will be 1.125. 1.0.0. You understand the difference? That's the same thing. So, when I go to this size, it's bigger than 1. When I go to this size, it's bigger than 0, but it's the same value. Why? Because, mathematically, it's the same thing, right? Here, what do you know about the value of the value? That is, the value of the value of the value, and the value of the value is equal to y. Okay, that's what's written here. It's written. That's the value of the value of the value, I, and the value of the value of the value, it's 1. That's the same thing. That's the value. So now, what do we do to make the projects more effective? Who will be more successful? That's right. Yes, I will be 100. That's the same thing, right? So it will be 1, and it will also be 1, right? So what does it mean if I'm going to be 2? There are 300, right? I can continue to invest in it. And who else? In this. How much can I invest? Now I have 800. I will invest 300. I can invest 800, right? I will be 500. So, I will be 500. That means, in this project, I will invest A, B, and C. I will not invest in D, but in E. I will invest in the value of the value of the value. I will not invest in it. Why? Because it is his vision. Because it is his vision, and he is in charge of other projects. Wait, I have a question. If in the Aleph, there is a problem, because the MPP is in the past, yes. But if we think about it again, it means that it is not in our budget. No, it will be in your budget, and it will be possible again. Because it is in the projects that we want. It is. What does it mean that we want it? You can only choose one. So what do you choose? I choose, I think, because it is enough for me. But you cannot choose 2, you would choose 1. 1 for me. So if you choose 1 for me, you would get only 20 on the project, and you would invest all the potential of your target, which is from the 80s, because you can do a different project. That's what the investors are doing. Okay, that's the point of the investors, that you cannot do a decision. You can make a decision. Okay, you can choose 1 from the 2. So that helps us to understand the projects. So we are focused on the field of investment, and we are looking at the development of the investment, and where the investment is going. We are focused on the investment. Okay, so that's the main goal of the investment. Okay, we are talking about a project that is based on our budget. Right, and it's the first one I'm going to discuss. 20% is the most important. I have to mention that we are talking about the investment. Right, in the development, you are now working with 3 projects together. How many do you have? 20% or more, 40% or 80% is the result of the investment. 160%. 160% or more than 180% of the investment is in the investment, right? That's the point. Okay, okay. So why do you divide the investment and not divide it? Because the divided investment is the investment in the investment. When you want to, I don't want to select the investment, but the investment. The percentage of the investment is the percentage of the investment. So it's important because the percentage of the investment is much greater. You can have a 45% from 1,000, or you can have a 45% from 100, or a 55% from 100, even though it's the same thing, 5% and 5%, right? So it's the percentage of the investment. So that was the point. So what are the projects we are going to discuss? The projects that are in the project. So what are we going to discuss here? What is the investment? How do we define the investment? We have two investments that give the same value of the investment. We learned what is the project value and how to define the investment. Emanu? Yes, I know.